Do you want to trade for amounts exceeding your deposit by 10, 50, or even 100 times? Margin trading gives you this opportunity, allowing you to borrow money from a broker. Today, we'll analyze how leverage works, what mistakes beginners make, and how to avoid complete capital drain. At the end of the video, you'll get important tips that will help you safely use margin trading, so be sure to watch it till the end. Before we get into leverage, let's understand what margin trading is in general. It's a term that you see a lot in trading, but many beginners don't fully understand how it works. Margin trading is a trading when you trade not only with your own money, but also with funds that you borrow from a broker. Basically, the broker gives you borrowed funds so that you can open bigger trades. Why does he need it? It's simple. The broker earns on commissions, spreads, and swaps, which means that the bigger the trade, the bigger his profit. At first glance, everything sounds cool. More money in a trade, more profit. But there is one thing. If you can increase your profit, it means that your losses also increase 10 times. This is where the main risk of margin trading is hidden, which beginners often forget about. And now we come to the key tool of margin trading, leverage. It is a ratio that shows how many times your trading capital increases due to borrowed funds. Leverage is denoted as a ratio, for example, 110, 150, or 100. This means that you can open a trade for an amount that is 10, 50, or 100 times higher than your deposit, respectively. For example, if you have only $100 in your account and the leverage is 110, you can trade for $1,000. Let's take a concrete example to better understand how it works. Suppose you have $100 in your account and you decide to open a trade with a leverage of 110. This means that your real trade volume is $1,000. If the price changes just 1% in your favor, you will get $10 profit instead of $1 if you trade without leverage. But if the market goes against you by 1%, you will also lose $10. And if the price drops by 10%, your deposit will be completely wiped out. As you can see, leverage is a tool that can both accelerate the growth of your deposit and lead to its rapid drain. Now that we have figured out how leverage works and what its risks are, let's see what types of leverage are available. Leverage differs from market to market, and its size depends a lot on the broker. In the Forex market, the standard leverage is 100, but with some brokers it can be up to 500. This allows you to open large positions even with a small deposit, but it increases the risk of losing money. Some platforms offer leverage of 1,000, which seems like an incredible opportunity for quick earnings. However, the reality is that with this leverage, a price movement of only 0.1% against your position is enough to completely lose your deposit. That is why it is important to realize that the higher the leverage, the higher the risks, and you should use it wisely. Now that we've figured out how leverage works, it is important to understand what happens to your deposit after the trade is opened. This is where concepts such as margin, free funds, margin call, and stop out play a key role. When you use leverage, the broker freezes a part of your funds as collateral. This is called margin. For example, if you have $100 and open a trade with leverage of 110, your position will be $1,000, but the broker will hold $100 as margin. Free margin is the remaining funds on the account, which can be used to open new trades or cover current losses. If the balance decreases to a critical level, the broker starts forced closing of trades. This process takes place in 2 stages. The first is a margin call. This is an alert that the broker sends when the level of your available funds falls below a certain threshold. For example, if your deposit drops to $50, the broker may notify you to fund your account or close losing trades. If the balance continues to decrease and reaches an even more critical point, a stop-out occurs, a forced closing of positions by the broker. For example, you opened a trade with leverage 110 for the amount of $1,000, having $100 on your account. If the price goes against you by 9%, your balance will be reduced to $10. And as soon as it falls below the acceptable level, the broker will automatically liquidate your position to prevent a negative balance. Many new traders only learn about margin calls and stop-outs when their trades are already forcibly closed and their deposit is almost zero. This is why it is so important to consider the risks of margin trading and not to use excessive leverage. Now that you know how leverage works and what risks it carries, the main question is how to use it safely and not lose your deposit. Many beginners, having learned about margin trading, start opening trades for the whole amount with maximum leverage, hoping for a fast capital growth. But without competent risk management, it is a direct way to a drain. To avoid this, there are several key rules. First, always use stop losses. Without them, even a small movement against your position can lead to the loss of a significant part of your deposit or even to the complete liquidation of the trade. Set a stop loss in advance, based on your risk management. Secondly, do not open trades for the entire deposit. Leave some funds in reserve to cover possible drawdowns. If you trade with a leverage of 110, it does not mean that you should use the entire available amount at once. It is more reasonable to work with a part of the capital. The third important point is to keep an eye on the margin level. If it falls below 50%, it is a signal of a high probability of a margin call. To avoid forced closing of trades, it is better to fund your balance in time or reduce the volume of open positions. Last but not least, do not try to win back after losses. One of the most common mistakes is to increase the trade size after losses, hoping to quickly recover the lost money. More often, it leads to even greater losses. It is important to stick to your strategy and not to fall into emotions. Knowledge about margin trading and leverage is only the beginning in trading. But to earn a stable income, you need a clear strategy and a trading plan. If you don't have one yet, the expert advisor MiloBot PRO can be one of the solutions. This expert advisor trades fully automatically according to the author's strategy, eliminating emotions and mistakes that often affect traders. You don't need to look for trades and analyze the market yourself. The expert advisor does everything for you. For 4 years of trading on a live account, MiloBot Pro has increased the deposit from $34,000 to $270,000. And you can personally verify its results by checking the monitoring on my effects book. And if you doubt, you have the opportunity to test it on a demo account. You can purchase the MiloBot Pro on the MQL5 website. All the links for downloading and testing can be found in the description below this video. Trading is not just a game with numbers, but the ability to manage your risks and make informed decisions. Leverage can be both a powerful tool to increase profits and a reason for complete drain of the deposit. It all depends on how consciously you use it. The main rule is to avoid putting everything on one trade, always observe risk management, and control your emotions. This is what distinguishes professional traders from those who lose money. Your success in trading depends only on you. Develop yourself, study the market, apply the right strategies, and the result will not make you wait. If this video was useful, please like it and subscribe to the channel. There will be more strategy reviews, trading tips, and useful materials to help you become better at trading.